Hello and welcome to the channel. This video is for the people who just bought their first pistol or planning to buy one. In this video we will discuss generic parts of pistol and try to familiarize ourselves with the basics. Let's get into it. This is a Taurus PT92 AFD. It's a full-frame hammer-fired pistol. It is one of the most common designs available out there, so it should give you a pretty good or at least a general idea on how pistols work. The full frame refers to all metal frame. This could be aluminum alloy or stainless steel. These weapons are heavier compared to their polymer counterparts and are of relatively older design origins. Let's take a look at parts of a pistol. This is barrel, slide lock, trigger, magazine well, magazine release button, the hammer, safety lever and takedown lever. Now let's talk about loading the mag. This is the mag or magazine. It comes in different sizes and capacities. This one is double stacked. It contains 17 rounds. In order to load a round in mag, first you need to hold the mag upright with thumb sticking out like this. You press down your round onto the follower and then slide inwards. Let's try that again. One more time. And there you go. That's how it's done. Loading the gun. Now that you have a mag with couple of round inside, let's take a look at loading the round in the gun. Insert the magazine in mag well. Make sure it's securely in place. To actually load a round in the barrel you need to rack the slide. To do that, first make sure that your barrel is pointing at a safe direction. Then hold your slide from the serrations and pull it back, and then either simply just let go or release it gently. Now few things happen all at once when you do it. When you pull it back it cocks the hammer to ready to fire position, and when you release your grip it comes back, and in doing so, it pushes a round from the mag and into the barrel. If there is already a round in the barrel, pulling the slide will automatically eject it before loading a new one. Now the weapon is hot or ready to fire. At this stage it's safer to engage safety until you are ready to fire. Holding the pistol. There are a lot of ways to hold a weapon and it varies from shooter to shooter. But this is the most common or easy to do. You hold the pistol in your dominant hand. Hold it nice and tight and as high as you can. The dovetail at the end of the gun should touch the web of your hand. That way you have more control over the recoil. Now brace it with your other hand like this. The weapon should be aligned with the holding arm to help with the aim. Keep firing finger away from the trigger until you are ready to fire. Aiming. For this demonstration we are using 3-dot iron sights. There are red dot sights and laser pointers also available for easier aiming. To aim the pistol, you must align the 3 dots with equal spacing. Now aim down the target and you are good to go. Firing. When you have acquired the target and ready to fire, now is the right time to place your finger over the trigger. The middle of the first segment of the finger should be the point of pressure. Drop the safety lever, and remember to squeeze, not pull the trigger. When you are done with firing, it's time to put the weapon back in safety. To do that, first drop the mag, then rack the slide to eject loaded round from the chamber. You can also manually check by locking the slide and use the finger to further make sure that barrel is empty. Also make sure to pull the mag out first then rack the slide, or you will end up with just another round in the chamber. And that's it for the video. I hope it is helpful in understanding the basic concepts. We will see you in another video. Goodbye.